Automating junk file cleanups in Windows.
Keeping your PC free from junk files helps maintain speed and save storage. Automating cleanups means you don't have to remember to do it yourself. In this guide, you'll learn easy ways to set up regular junk file removal using Windows built-in tools, as well as free, trusted apps.
Understanding junk files and cleanup tools.
Junk files include temporary system files, leftover update files, and browser caches. Windows provides built-in options like Disk Cleanup and Storage Sense for removing these clutter files. Additionally, popular free utilities such as CCleaner offer more customization and automation. Both approaches can help keep your computer tidy with minimal effort.
Using Storage Sense for automated cleanups.
Storage Sense is built into Windows 10 and 11. To set it up, open Settings, choose System, then Storage. Switch on Storage Sense and select Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. Here, you can schedule cleanups to run automatically, delete temp files, and empty the recycle bin on a routine you choose.
Scheduling disk cleanup with Task Scheduler.
This cleanup is another tool for removing junk files. To automate it, open the Task Scheduler app, choose Create Basic Task, and set how often you want it to run. Select Start a Program and browse to clean.mgr.exe. You can add arguments for specific drives or cleanup types, ensuring regular system maintenance.
Automating cleanup with free third-party apps.
Apps like CCleaner let you create automated cleanup schedules for junk files, browser data, and more. Install the app, head to its scheduling settings, and choose how often to run cleanups. Third-party tools often provide extra control and reporting, making them popular for those seeking more flexibility than Windows defaults.
Tips for safe and effective automation.
Automated cleanup keeps your PC running smoothly, but review what will be deleted before scheduling. Avoid removing files you need, back up important data, and set cleanup routines to fit your usage. With the right setup, you'll enjoy better performance and never worry about clutter slowing you down.